Every business tells a story, and that story is written in numbers. In this lesson, we're going to learn one of the most important stories, how a business earns a profit or makes a loss. Your income is what you earn, the money that comes in. Your expenses are what you spend, the money that goes out. If your income is greater than your expenses, you make a profit. If your expenses are higher, you make a loss. Here's a bakery that sold bread worth £1,000. That's their income. They spent £700 on flour, rent and wages. Those are expenses. So £1,000 minus £700 equals £300. That's their profit. What's left after all costs are covered? Now look at this case. They earned only £600, but their expenses were £800. So £600 minus £800 gives us minus £200. That's a loss. They spent more than they earned. This is exactly what happens in every business, from a small cafe to a big company. If you manage your income and expenses carefully, you'll make a profit. But if your expenses get out of control, you'll make a loss. So remember, profit isn't just a lucky number. It tells you how well the business is being managed.